Start a new video without any whooping like the last one. So what do you guys have to say for yourselves?
I'm gonna win. No, you're not. Who said you're gonna win? You suck. I won like mostly all of them. You need to kill this person. Your guts splatting out. Little guy. Oh, I found out where he is. He wasn't actually over there. He's over here. I need to get close to him. Kill him. I think he's coming this way. So you run around. So he's not there! He's over there. My God, that don't go far. Told you so. Oh, you're not dead, huh? Huh, punk? Kids always win.